In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get LinkedIn first degree connections in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to LinkedIn or looking to expand your network, mastering the art of connecting with others can significantly boost your professional endeavors. So let's dive right in and unpack this simple yet effective guide. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the LinkedIn homepage. This is your gateway to an extensive network of professionals. If you're not already signed in, the website offers two quick options. You can either sign in with Google or continue with your existing LinkedIn account. Choose the method that's most convenient for you and let's move forward. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. This tool is your best friend when it comes to finding professionals on LinkedIn. Here's what you need to do. Type the name of the profile you're looking for into the search bar, whether it's a former colleague, a potential employer, or just someone you'd like to know professionally. Just type their name in and hit enter. After entering the name, LinkedIn will display a list of profiles matching your search criteria. Your next step is to identify the right person from these search results. This might seem like finding a needle in a haystack, but don't worry. Look for profile details like their photo, current position, and location to ensure you've found the right person. Once you're sure, click on the profile that says first next to their name. This indicates that they're a first degree connection or will be once you connect with them. And that's pretty much it. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly navigate LinkedIn's networking landscape and expand your professional circle by adding valuable first degree connections. Remember, growing your network on LinkedIn isn't just about adding contacts. It's about building relationships that could open doors to new opportunities. Now, go ahead, give it a try. Who knows? Your next LinkedIn connection could lead to your next big career break. Keep connecting, and who knows where your LinkedIn network will take you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more professional tips and tricks.